Christianity under attack tonight. Horrific violence facing Christians across the Middle East. Recent attacks by ISIS in Iraq drove Christians out of Mosul. Can anything be done before Christianity as we know it is wiped out? With me now, Father Gabriel, Adde, Reverend at the Syriac Orthodox Church, and with the International Christian Outreach. Father, thank you for being with us this evening. How bad is it?
First of all, I would like to thank you for allowing me this opportunity to talk about the pain of my people. What's going on in Iraq, Judge, is nothing less than a Christian genocide. I would like to draw the attention of the whole world to the great atrocity that is taking place right now in Iraq, in particular in Mosul, the city of Mosul. The city that was built on the ruins of Nineveh, the capital of Mesopotamia, the cradle of civilization. And the people of that city, they are the indigenous people of that city, that area that for thousands and thousands of years now are driven in a mass exodus to leave their homes,
Father,
to leave the country.
Father, or be killed.
Well, these people were given an ultimatum by ISIS. Either you convert to Islam, to pay an exorbitant tax, to die by the sword, or leave.
All right, so leave your homes, leave everything.
Leave your home, leave everything.
As they destroy the biblical antiquities and the tomb of Jonah, what we've got now is almost an elimination of Christianity in Iraq. Who is fighting for the Christians?
Well, nobody was fighting for the Christian, unfortunately.
Why?
That is the big question that you and I have to ask the world.
Where is the Pope? Where is the Patriarch?
Our Patriarch is going from one place to the other, meeting with head of nations, meeting with the Secretary of State in Lebanon and Syria and various places. He came here, he visited Washington several times. And he visited and met with the ambassador of the United Nations in Lebanon, him and a group of other patriarchs.
And
we don't know.
Are people too afraid of ISIS? I mean, the church is peaceful. Orthodox, Syriac Orthodox, Christian, doesn't matter.
Yes, ma'am.
But the people must be so disappointed.
The people are disappointed, unfortunately. And right now, like you and I understand it, terrorists are the ones that are causing these problems.
How do we stop it?
How do we stop them? First of all, we need to make the whole world hear our voice. Those groups that are supporting and funding these terrorists, to stop funding them, please. We ask that you stop funding them, please.
Who's funding them?
If I knew, I would have told you.
Well, ISIS has taken over the banks. I mean, they're...
Well, we know that they took over the banks and took all the monies of these people, especially the Christians, and everything that they had.
And they're selling the antiquities on the black market.
They not only took their money, they not only took their money, they made them leave their homes. And as they got to the borders with the clothes on their backs and nothing else with them and a few dollars cash, they not only took their money and jewelries, they made them sign away their deeds to their houses as if they never existed in this region.
Where are they going, Father?
They went to nearby villages in Kurdistan.
Are they being accepted there?
In their villages and monasteries that we still have there, in churches, in people's homes that are, our own Christians.
Father, you know what I think is so short-sighted? Is that this destruction of Christianity and people who speak Aramaic, the language of Jesus.
The language of Jesus Christ.
Right.
You said it.
I mean, if nobody's fighting for them, what makes us think that we're safe?
Well, ISIS, dearly beloved, it started in Mosul. It went to Syria a few days ago, to a town called Mahadi near Homs, the city of Homs. ISIS went to Netherlands, and ISIS is coming to a town near you and I.
There's no question about that. Father Adde, thank you so much.
It is an international threat.
I couldn't agree with you more, Father. Thank you for being with us, and we're going to have you back. Thank you.
Thank you.